In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Todoist. This is a quick but very important security upgrade that helps protect your account, your projects, and all your tasks from unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, adds an extra layer of protection on top of your regular password. That means even if someone somehow gets hold of your password, they still can't log into your account without the second factor, which is usually a temporary code generated on your phone. Taking a couple of minutes to turn this on can save you a lot of trouble later. First, open Todoist and make sure you're signed into the account you want to secure. You can do this on the web in your browser or in the desktop app. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right or in the main menu area for the option called Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can manage how your account behaves, including language, theme, notifications, and of course, security. Inside the Settings section, find and select the tab or option labeled Account. The account area is dedicated to everything related to your personal profile and login details. This is where you see things like your email, subscription status, and security options. Within the Account section, look for the setting called Two-Factor Authentication. You should see a simple toggle or switch next to it. To turn it on, click on that toggle so it moves to the on position. When you do this, Todoist may walk you through a short setup process. Typically, you'll be asked to link an authentication app, such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or another similar app on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code or enter the setup key into your authentication app. Once that's done, your app will start generating time-based codes. Todoist will usually ask you to type in one of those codes to confirm that everything is working correctly. Enter the code from your app, confirm it, and your two-factor authentication will be successfully enabled. After enabling it, make sure you store any backup codes Todoist provides in a safe place, like a secure password manager. That way, if you lose your phone, you still have a way to get back into your account. And that's all there is to it. You've now turned on two-factor authentication in Todoist and taken a big step toward keeping your account secure.